Hi guys, so I think it's time for another Shopkins DIY and this time I will be customizing this awesome Season 4 So Cool fridge. If like me you are a super Shopkins fan, then you probably have 3 So Cool fridges. A pink one, the teal one, and now this Season 4 purple pink one. And I thought, wouldn't it be perfect to customize the Season 4 fridge into a Shopkins Peppermint fridge, because you know you keep ice cream in the freezer. Now I got this Season 4 fridge from my awesome YouTube friends Collect Together. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Go check out their channel, they are awesome. And here is me opening their awesome package. One of my awesome YouTube friends Collect Together sent me this awesome package, guys, all the way from Australia. I cannot believe it. How awesome are they? You have to check out their channel, Collect Together. They do awesome blind bags, lots of awesome videos, and they have the cutest boy called Blake. So go check them out. They got me collector cards and dog tags and Swinkies. But the main thing that they sent me was this awesome box. Now I'm going to rip into it because I cannot wait. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, this still isn't available in the UK. Can you believe it? This is amazing. Thank you so much, Tina at Collect Together. I really appreciate it. I'm just gonna read this awesome card that you guys sent me. Dear Elsa, you have such an amazing channel and creative DIY crafts. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for being our friend and for the awesome goodies you have sent us, from Tina, Blake and Glenn at Collect Together. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. And in honor of your awesome package, I will be doing a custom DIY on this fridge. So the fridge is out of its box, and here are all the new Petkins and Shopkins that came with it, as well as these purple bags. I forgot to mention earlier that at the end of this DIY I will be opening some Shopkins Season 1 blind bags, in the hopes that I will get some Shopkins from the frozen section to put in this peppermint fridge. So what you will need for this DIY are some chocolate and minty coloured fabric paints, 3D fabric paint, some glue, and any little embellishments that you can use as fridge magnets. Probably won't use this one, but it's still really cute. So this is a super easy DIY because all I will be doing is dripping some of the paint on the top of the fridge. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm going to add some ice cream embellishments, and they will act as fridge magnets. And it's as simple as that. My custom peppermint fridge is finished. I absolutely love the dripping chocolate. It looks so yummy. And the ice cream fridge magnets are really, really cute as well. I really, really am happy with that. So now it's time to open some Season 1 blind bags, and I cannot wait to see what we get. Okay. Oh, that is perfect. We got Gertie, guys. And that is from the Season 1 dairy section, so that goes right in the fridge. Next blind bag we get, and this is Posh Pear, and she is super cool. And I have her already, but that's cool. The next one we get, oh, I love this. So this is Curly, and I have her, but she's still super adorable. And the next one we get, ooh. So this is Tooths, and I already have this one, but still super cute. Now the last blind bag. This one is Pepe or Peppa, and this is from the pantry, and I already have this one, but it is so cute. It's like sneezing. So that's it for this video today, guys. I really hope you liked this Shopkins DIY. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, bye!